Hey guys, this is a 2023 Rivian R1S Adventure Package. This is a rebuilt title, had some front end damage, all been fixed up. It did go through the Rivian High Voltage test, it's passed, ready to go. So it will fast charge. Has passed an alignment. You can see it's got 171 on the miles, driver plus, large pack, quad motor, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all your different options, raise, lower, the regen, backup camera, 360 camera. Navigation, driver assist. There's the past alignment. This one does come with the camper speaker. It's got the suede roof, all glass. Seven passenger. Air compressor there. Rear heated seats there. Good looking Rivian R1S Adventure Quad large battery pack. Send you from Real Deal Auto. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.